Love is Blind family is growing by one more. Lauren and Cameron Hamilton are expecting their first child together. This couple met and married on season 1 of the Netflix show Love is Blind. These two have been open about their struggles with infertility in the past and opening up about the subject during an October episode of their podcast, The Love Seat. So seeing the word pregnant, it was amazing. We just looked at each other. I fell to my knees and cried. After 4 years of trying, Lauren says that the feeling of finally getting a positive pregnancy test is indescribable. Congratulations, the Hamiltons.